Today I build a website that never loads. It just keeps going forever and no, there is no bug. I made it that way. You are welcome. You know when a site says almost there, but just hover forever. I want to take that feeling of pain and turn into a website. I used the tools like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is code of index.html and JavaScript CSS. Hosted on GitHub and NetLife. Both can use or you can use only one. Introducing the loading screen.01.com site that does one thing entirely. Satisfying points, silent, annoying, beautiful, broken. Honestly, this is the best thing I ever coded that serve absolutely no function. Send this to your friends while they are waiting for your Zoom meeting, or make it your fake portfolio loading page. Want me to build another painful, useless website? Comment below with your trivial ideas. Subscribe for useful content on coding, dive life and tech fun here on Computer Minds. Thank you for all.